We're getting a puppy. Ready to take her home?
Hello.
Good morning, kids.
Say out of the camera.
Hi.
This is a very exciting day.
It's a puppy.
We're getting a puppy. Surprise! We haven't talked about it at all on the vlogs, but for the last 8 weeks we have known that we're getting a puppy, and we get to go and get her today.
Phoebe.
We're getting a yellow Labrador. And she is at a breeder down in the country, so we're taking the drive down there right now. It's been a hectic morning, that's for sure. It's been a little bit of a difficult morning getting these kids ready, but I'm excited. I had like that feeling last night that it was like Christmas morning the next day, so I couldn't really sleep. Yeah, butterflies in your stomach all morning waiting for this moment. But we may or may not get something to eat on the way, otherwise we'll just be heading straight there. But you'll probably see us when we're there. For puppy. Let's go, puppy time.
Puppy.
Quick pit stop to have some lunch. You ready to take her home?
Ready to go?
She's here. She's in the front. You can't really see her right now, but she's here. We got a puppy. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Hey, beautiful girl. Yeah, it's you. You excited?
You gotta tell Nana and Papa. Yeah.
She's a little bit wired at the moment, which is weird because she was playing and she was pretty done when we went to get her up. She thought she was about to fall asleep. And now she's being a bit cheeky, hey? You cheeky girl. So much more puppy footage to come, but right now we're going to try and make it home and hopefully she falls asleep at one point. Hey? She's probably a bit wired. She's like, I don't know what's happening, so I don't want to go to sleep. Yeah. Calm down now, okay? Oh god, she's cute.
Yes, sir. I'm using this. What's that?
What is it? I'm gonna put this on you. Ready? Good job. There you go. How does it go? Oh, she's set.
See you later.
Alright, let's do this. Yeah.
I love pets.
She does love pats.
And her love is very, very soft. I her love eating.
She loves eating the grass.
Yep.
Go inside. See you on your home.
Smudge.
Are you happy, girl? Yes. Oh, thank you. And give me a hickey. What are you doing?
And you can wait to see. We're home.
Hi, where are we, hey? You're still tired, I think. Probably need to have a bit more of a sleep.
Yeah.
Hey? Oh, yeah, you're a bit tired?
Oh, yeah.
Here's your little belly. Your little belly. Hey? So she hasn't actually gone to the toilet yet, so I don't really want to leave her inside. Just let her chill outside for a bit.
Yeah, but what
She's used to being outside all the time anyway, but we'll leave her outside until she goes wee, and then we'll bring her inside. Hey? Oh yeah, we've got a collar on. Her little name. Hey? Your name's Phoebe. Straight into it.
She doesn't really like the water.
She does like the water. She wants to get in it. Oh yeah, she likes that one. Come here! Come here! Yeah.
Apple?
You want this?
Today.
Yeah.
You had a
Have a look inside.
Are you back inside?
Oh, you having a look around? This is a dangerous room. We might actually close this room, hey? Alright, so we're inside now. I think she's starting to get a bit tired again. Hey? You okay?
Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
I think baby can't go on the couch right now.
You okay?
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Baby can't really go on the couch.
No, she's not allowed on the couch.
Yeah, because she might scratch the couch.
Hi. So yeah, I think she's just gonna have another little rest. Just lie on the floor in a corner like most dogs do. Like that. Good girl, you have a little sleep.
12 seconds later.
I think she's gonna have a pretty decent sleep because she didn't really have a long sleep on the way home, and she had another play when we got home, so I think yeah, she'll probably sleep for a little bit. I don't know why I'm whispering because she's just a noise, but anyway, the kids are just gonna watch something. I've just made them a strawberry slushie, and yeah, I'm gonna go on the computer for a little bit, get a bit of work done while she's asleep. And then we'll probably go outside this afternoon and do a bit of water play because it's pretty hot this afternoon. Yeah, we're having some lunch or some afternoon tea outside while Daddy fixes the door. Injures himself, you're right. Phoebe is over here. I thought she wanted to go to the toilet, so I let her outside and she ended up just crashing out again on the grass. She's having a good old snooze. But how much puppies sleep. She's just going to be sleeping all the time. Is it good? What are you doing over here? Do you love her? Yeah, she's having a little dream, I think.
Ava, this little.
And she's awake again, and we're outside enjoying the late afternoon. Hey, beautiful girl. Did you have a good sleep? Little pool set up. I'll just see if she is interested in it.
Baby.
Do you like it or not? Hey?
Do you like it or not?
Look. You want to get out?
I think she doesn't want to do that.
She wants to get out, I think. She quite enjoys this little Kong. Hey, you like that one, don't you?
Oh, it's this.
Yeah,
I
she
like
likes her
this.
bone too.
And I like bone too.
Yeah, she
And
does.
this is your footprints.
Yeah.
Mom.
She's so good with the kids. She annoys them a little bit, but then she knows when to stop. And they've been really good too and really patient. Hi! You beautiful girl. You're being so good.
Kiss me. Who's being good to me?
Yeah, she's licking you?
Yeah.
She's giving you lots of kisses?
Yes.
Good girl! You playing? Yeah, because she wants to have another little sleep. Yeah. She's tired again because she's growing. Alrighty, so good afternoon slash good evening, everybody. I just got done putting April down to bed. She should be going to sleep. She was pretty exhausted. And this little one down here is having another sleep. Got a little sleep in there. So I'm actually just waiting for her to wake up so that we can have another little play out here on the lawn. Let her do her final wheeze outside before we head inside and set up her crate in the garage and get her kind of ready for bed. We'll probably have another play with her and stuff in our bedroom, and then put her to bed fairly late to hopefully avoid that many wake ups, but I'm sure it's going to be a pretty rough night. E, you gonna chill in bed with us for a bit? Yeah? I'm gonna catch your face.
Yeah, I'm gonna bite you. Bite. No.
That face is just like, oh, okay. That's what you get having a puppy that close to your face. Who's that? You saw it, didn't you?